The Vaisala Indigo product family includes a wide range of smart probes to meet a variety of measurement needs, such as the HMP3 for ambient space and duct humidity and temperature measurements, the DMP8 for dew point measurements and compressed air lines, or the GMP251 for measuring CO2 concentrations in incubators. At first, you will select an Indigo Smart Probe based on what you're looking to measure and what the demands of the operating environment will be. But once you've selected the right probe for your application, it's time to consider how you'll get and use measured data from the probe. Here are your options. Your first option is to use the probe as a standalone transmitter. All Indigo Smart Probes are designed with an RS-485 serial output with a Modbus RTU protocol. The GMP250 and HPP270 series Indigo Smart Probes also offer analog outputs in addition to Modbus. This option requires 12 to 30 volt DC power, depending on the probe, and provides great flexibility for integrating with your control or data acquisition system. The Modbus RTU protocol will give you access to your probe's full suite of calculated variables and the ability to program functions like auto calibration and chemical purges. This is a great option for OEM designs or control systems where high-quality measurements are needed, but a local display is unnecessary. Your second option is to pair your Indigo Smart Probe with an Indigo transmitter to serve as a host device. In this case, the transmitter will interface with the probe and enable additional features that the probes alone cannot provide. The Indigo200 series transmitters are a basic option that provide 2 relays, an optional display, plus either 3 analog outputs or Modbus RTU outputs. Probes or probe cables attach to the transmitter via the M12 connector and locking wheel shown here. And the transmitter's IP65 housing makes it suitable for use in wet environments. The Indigo200 outputs and display options are configurable using the Indigo200's easy-to-use wireless interface. Our premium Indigo transmitter option is the Indigo500 series transmitters, which includes the Indigo510 and Indigo520 models. The Indigo500s have an IP66 and NEMA4 rated housing, so they can withstand even the harshest of industrial environments. These transmitters include analog outputs and Ethernet communication standard. In addition to standard 24-volt or line voltage powering options, the Indigo500 also offers power over Ethernet so that only a single cable is needed for both powering the instrument and outputting data. The Indigo500 provides a secure network interface for remote viewing of live and logged data, and the other exciting new feature available specifically with the Indigo520 model is dual probe capability. The Indigo520 can be configured for use with 2 Indigo Smart Probes simultaneously, enabling you to measure and output multiple parameters from a single transmitter or compare readings from the inlet and outlet of a process all in one display. The Indigo500 transmitters will offer even more features over time, such as expanded data logging capabilities and OPC UA protocols. So keep an eye out for these optional firmware updates, which can be implemented yourself in the field via the transmitter's network interface. The final option I'm going to review is to operate your Indigo Smart Probe off of a PC using our free Insight software. The Insight PC software is designed primarily as a configuration and calibration tool, but it does allow you to view live data from your probe, and it offers up to 48 hours of data logging, which can be exported to a CSV file. Please note that some features like probe warming are not available when operating via the Insight software. This is a great option for evaluating how your probe will perform in a new application or for short-term lab experiments, since you can visualize and analyze data without committing to an installation or needing knowledge of digital communication protocols. Reach out to Vaisala's applications team to discuss which Indigo solution is right for you. All built on the reliability and accuracy of Vaisala's sensor technology.